Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, today I'm going to show you how to combine your first name last name into Excel. So keep watching. In this video I will show you some advanced method to do that. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading this type of tutorials every week. So friend, let's see how we can do that. So friend, first of all we are going to open Excel. So here I'm going to press my window key and then type Excel, and here I'm going to create my one workbook. So friend, first this is my first name for example, and then last name, and I want to combine these two names. So what I will do here, type full name, and here I'm going to type some sample names, for example like Vijay Rajpur, okay friend, right now I have 3 names and 3 surnames. Okay, so here I'm going to combine these words into a single line. Then what I will do, type equal to concatenate function we are using to combine two words. So here I'm type this function and then open parentheses, and here I'm going to select A2 of first name and then type comma, and then select the second cell of B2 which I want to combine, and then close parentheses. So friend, here you can see these names are combined, and here you simply drag into these 3, then you can see like this. Okay friend, I hope you can see these two problem. Then I show you how you can sort it out. Here space is not showing, then what you will do, simply click here, and here the function available. So here type comma, then here double quote and then space, and when you press enter, then it will show you. I am here again going to type this function, space. So friend, you can see this is done. So friend, this tutorial I want to share with you guys where you can easily combine two words into a single cell. I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, please click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. And if you're coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading this type of tutorials and which can help you to grow your work. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.